What's up everybody, welcome to a daily Bitcoin analysis, and in today's video we will take a look on the current dump. So if you are interested if this is just a huge bear trap or if we are going on the lower levels, definitely watch this video till the end because in my opinion this video will be really important. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we took the liquidity under like all of these important previous lows. So in my opinion, this was definitely a less probable scenario. Right now, we are in the area where historically here we had like zero liquidity, like almost zero liquidity. So for the price right now, it's like not that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. The main support that I am watching right now is this area, which is between levels 55k 400 and 50k 700. So this is like potentially a good long opportunity, but in my opinion there's like absolutely zero guarantee that the market will reach like these lower levels. And in my opinion there is definitely like a high probability that we will create a new support somewhere in this area, and this dump is just a huge bear trap and a liquidity grab, because a lot of people who are opening a long position somewhere around here, they definitely put their stop losses like under these previous lows. So once like we broke them, there was like a huge dump and huge liquidations. So yeah, right now there is definitely some probability that we will create a new support somewhere in this area, and from there we will go up. The main problem with, let's say, opening a long position right now is that there is like a not good level where you can put your stop loss. Because if you were longing like somewhere around here or here, you could just place your stop loss like under these previous lows. And yeah, right now, like you can see that we broke those levels, but it was just like a good stop loss, yeah, because once we broke them, there was like another huge dump. So yeah, it was like a good stop loss. But right now, where do you want to put your stop loss? Because like as I said, the next support is between levels like 53k and 50k 500. So yeah, you can place the stop loss under them, but then the risk reward ratio on the long side is not gonna be that great here anymore. So yeah, that's the main problem with opening a long position right now. So if you are planning to do so, I am suggesting to opening it on the lower leverage, and for example speculate for also a higher profit. So for example speculate on a long position and let's say have the elastic profit target somewhere around 85k dollars, something like that, so you still can have good risk reward ratio even if you will place the stop loss on the safe level. I am talking here about opening a long positions, but of course there is definitely some probability that the markets will continue to go down. But let's now take a look on some historical situation, because for example here you can see that we were forming here a sideways channel, there was a big dump and then a pump. You can see also here we were forming here a sideways channel, then there was like a liquidity grab and another pump up, and right now we are forming here like kinda similar situation. So yeah, this is another reason why I think that from like this level it is like super interesting to opening some long positions on Bitcoin or even altcoins that are, for example, right now testing important support areas. So yeah, like do not over leverage yourself, because yeah, there can be like another drop. But yeah, overall I think that for example in the like next 2 weeks we will be on the higher level that we are right now. But yeah, that's only like opinion based on my probability. Of course I can be wrong, but yeah, that's my view on Bitcoin for a long time perspective. And if we take a look on the lower time frame, for example 30-minute chart, you can see that, let's say, another interesting support we have in the area 50k 800 and 50k 550. So yeah, it's the area that I also showed you on that daily time frame, because yeah, it's simply like this area. But the most important thing on the 30-minute time frame is the RSI indicator, because right now we are on the level like 5.97, which is like super undervalued. And you can see that historically every time we hit such a like low areas like this, there was every time like a huge pump. So yeah, this is another like interesting thing that you can watch right now. Of course, just because we are like with the RSI on these like lower levels, this doesn't mean that Bitcoin will suddenly pump a lot. But yeah, it's also another indicator that is giving us, let's say, more probability that there will be, let's say, another move up. To summarize that, right now I am not watching here like any specific trading scenarios, because yeah, we broke like the important support, and right now I'm watching what the market will do next. So if there will be like a pump up and then a support confirmation, it can be a good opportunity for opening another long positions, because we will have like, let's say, safe stop loss under the low that we will create during this fake out. Or if the market is gonna reach like these lower levels and there will be a support confirmation, it can be like interesting trading opportunity as well. But yeah, if something like this happen, I will definitely let you know in my Discord trading group. So if you want to join, because you want to, for example, want to know about all the altcoins and about all the interesting Bitcoin setups that I'm watching right now, you can join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.